You're right, short sellers of Apple stock have raised some concerns. Here's a summary of their main points. Valuation. They believe Apple's stock price is too high relative to its earnings, 27 times earnings according to the short seller. This is especially concerning because they predict Apple's revenue will decline in 2024 compared to 2022. China risk. A large portion of Apple's revenue comes from China. The short seller worries about potential slowdowns in the Chinese economy and the risk of increased government regulation, slowing innovation. The short seller isn't convinced that Apple's investments in artificial intelligence (AI) will be a significant driver of future earnings. They also question whether new iPhones offer enough innovation to drive strong replacement cycles. App Store antitrust risk. There are ongoing lawsuits about how Apple operates the App Store. The short seller fears that Apple could be forced to change its App Store practices, which could hurt its services business.